Hello there. Winter continues to rear its ugly head across the UK and it's likely to cause problems for some in the next 48 hours. Our initial problem is ice to start us off on Thursday morning. Pretty widespread across the Midlands, perhaps parts of the northeast of England and Northern Ireland, where we've seen showers through the course of the night. Some quite slick road surfaces are possible. Across the eastern side of the UK, some dense patches of fog to start the day, and then towards the south we've got a band of rain which is going to be moving its way in. It is, though, largely rain at this stage in the day, so hopefully not too problematic. For Wales, though, after a fine night, we should get off to a dry, bright start, although perhaps with a few patches of mist and fog. For Northern Ireland, still quite a bit of lying snow from Wednesday, some icy conditions on the roads and perhaps some patchy mist and fog here. A lot of early morning sunshine for Scotland, although some dense fog is possible through the central lowlands, and that may take a while to lift more wintry showers around the islands as well. Some wintry flurries possible across northern England too, for the Midlands and East Anglia. Perhaps some low clouds, some mist and fog initially, and it will be a chilly start to the day, and then it just gets slightly milder as we head into southernmost counties of the UK, and here you can see the rain moving in. But of course, it's bumping into that very cold air, and as it pushes across the higher ground, there will be a chance that it'll turn to snow. Through Thursday daytime, we're mostly looking at it being an area of rain, but as it works its way further north, particularly Thursday afternoon, it looks like we could start to see it turning increasingly to snow across South Wales, especially the higher ground here through Gloucestershire, Herefordshire and up towards Shropshire. So potentially some trouble even on Thursday afternoon, but it's as we go through Thursday evening and overnight into Friday that the Met Office are particularly concerned. So much so, they've actually issued an early warning of severe weather, up to 10 centimetres of snow possible in some parts of the Midlands and the northeast of England out of this band. So here we are on Thursday afternoon. We start off with it across South Wales, pushing into the West Midlands. It'll roll right the way across the Midlands, though, possibly tucking up into Lincolnshire before heading into East Anglia and maybe briefly across the southeast of England later on Friday. It's where we see it turning most intense. We're likely to get those big accumulations of snow, so it's hard to be too specific, but if you have plans for Friday daytime or even travelling ahead of that, do keep up to date with the forecast. After that goes through, though, Friday not turning out to be too bad a day all in all, just some wintry showers continuing towards the west. And for the weekend, still some wintry showers around. It's still chilly, but it looks fortunately like things will turn a good deal quieter, but some troublesome weather to contend with before then.